Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to enable the highest verification level on your Discord server. This simple update will help you keep your community secure and free from spam or unwanted users. Let's dive right in. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account that owns or manages the server you want to adjust. Once you're in, take a look at your server list on the left side of the screen and select the server you want to secure. When the server opens, tap the server's name at the top of the screen. A small menu will appear with several options. From that drop-down, choose Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area for your server, where you can tweak everything from roles to moderation settings. Next, scroll down the sidebar until you find the section labeled Moderation. Tap it to open your moderation controls. Here, you'll see several options related to how Discord handles user security and verification. Look for the verification level section. Discord offers multiple levels of verification. Each one adds an extra layer of protection against potential spam or fake accounts. To make your server fully secure, choose the highest level available. This option ensures that only trusted and established accounts can interact in your server, helping to keep your community safer and cleaner. After selecting the highest verification level, make sure to scroll down and tap Save Changes. This step is crucial. If you exit without saving, your settings won't be applied.